Same.
Oh my god.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
I think I'm gonna
Oh, it's got such little hands.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Can someone take a picture of you, please?
That one's cute. Let me touch
Oh,
it.
that's not what I'm into. We're like headbutting each other. Wait, that one's cute.
No, wait, it's so cute. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. No, nothing for you. Hi.
I'm out of here before they hit
Hello.
me.
This one's so cute.
Video of that one. Oh my god.
Oh, and she's not. Just eat it.
Look, this one's even rotting. I'm eating it.
I ate it.
It's natural.
We're out here picking apples at Log Cabin Apple Orchard or whatever it's called, but picking some apples, eating some apples. It's a secret. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
I'm gonna fall.
Don't fall.
So, my boot picked one.
No, it don't.
No, I threw one on the ground. Oh, okay. That makes more sense.
My boot.
Don't drop on my head, actually.
I'm not gonna drop them on your head. They keep coming with a little stem.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's like I don't. I hope I don't die up here.
You'll be fine.
Oh, 2 for 1.
I picked one. It's in my pocket. I'm gonna pick another. Wait, where are the other types of apples? Like the mac.
You just get all of it.
Try it. Find it.
Picking apples.
I thought they wrapped the whole thing.
No, like the caution tape just means that it's early max. But I'm too tall for this.
Too tall?
Ugh.
Really? Here's 2 ones. I'm just in the tree now. Oh, wait, take that one. No, we're just gonna throw that one out.
Mukbang, yeah.
Mukbang?
I guess.
You might hurt the tree though, to be honest. Do what?
We're good.
I want one up there.
Jump.
Because it's big.
Just jump.
Reach out with your right hand. Oh. Reach out with your right hand, Alex. Why? Not red one. This one? Yeah. Anyone else want some? You want it? If you like being my ladder. Yeah. I'm a ladder. Walk all over me.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
I guess.
What?
She's like, I'm a ladder. Walk all over me.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna move. Got Alex.
Alex.
So my body's pointing to. That one? Is that part of the? Yeah.
Got it.
Oh, same. There you go.
Get him.
Oh, I thought that was the same.
Nope.
All right. Yeah, there's some good and bad.
You can do it, Alex. I believe in you.
Okay, someone hold my jacket. Let me know when you're gonna jump so I can take a video of it. Okay, well I'm gonna jump right now.
I'm just filming all of this. Oh wow, this is really heavy. Is there an apple in here?
Go. Close. No. I mean, you broke it.
Oh, there you go.
I got it. Oh, I got it. This way. Yeah, that's a nice one. Did you get it? taco though.
Do it again.
I want a churro.
Someone help. Someone get it.
Take it. Take the apple. Take the apple. Maddie, take the apple.
Churros? Okay, I don't know if we can do many more. Just get all of them there.
Okay, well.
Okay, this is like enough.
It's funny.
Rolling up her sleeves. Going pet some bunnies. I just want to touch him. Nope. Don't.
Can I pick one up?
I didn't know if it was going to be mad. I waited, how long? It was 40 minutes for a churro.
40 minutes?
I would go with something like
It
that.
sounds really crunchy though.
That was really good.
40 minutes?
I feel like it was something like that. It was a good amount of time.
No, it's not like me.
I also
I
got,
should have gotten one.
you want to bite?
You waited.
It's yours.
I also got hot apple cider and that was really good.
I should have got that too.
Now we're going home.